The Quiet Hours feature allows you to designate periods of time where you don't wish to be disturbed and your phone will not ring. If a caller tries to reach you during these times, they will hear the following message.
The person you are calling isn't currently available. Please try again later.
To set up your quiet hours, log into your Phonely online dashboard. Then click Settings and then Feature Settings. Then scroll down, select Quiet Hours, and then select Add New Quiet Hours. Then all you need to do is choose the day and time period you don't wish to be disturbed, for example, Sundays from 6 to 10. Then just press Save and you're good to go. If you wish to configure your quiet hours to be overnight, then you will need to configure 2 separate quiet hours. For example, if I wanted my quiet hours over a Monday night, I would need to set my first slot as, say, 9 PM to midnight for Monday, and my second slot as midnight to, say, 7 AM for Tuesday. Finally, should you wish, you can exclude your contacts from your quiet hours simply by using this toggle. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to get in touch on 0800 112 5000 and we'll be happy to help.